Hello children, welcome to today's English online class. Yes children, in this class let us see the revision of Unit 9, Lesson number 9, Johnny Gets a Straw Hat. Okay children, page number 28, 29 and 30. Let us read this lesson today. Okay children, and also let us see the new words of this lesson. Okay children, let us read this lesson now. Johnny Gets a Straw Hat. This is the story of a little girl called Anita and her toy horse called Johnny. Anita and Johnny were inseparable. They were always together. They ate together. They slept together. They even shopped together. Whenever Anita wanted anything, she would say, Johnny wants a chocolate, or Johnny wants to go to the park. If she did not want to do anything, she would say, Johnny does not want to study, or Johnny does not want to sleep just now. One day, Anita's parents had to go out of town for some work. They would be gone for a week. They could not leave Anita alone at home. They decided to leave her at her grandma's place. Johnny does not want to go, Anita said. But they have such a beautiful cottage next to the beach. You will love it there. You can make new friends with children on the beach. Her mother tried to tell her. Anita had never seen the sea before, but she still did not want to go. Next page. Early on Saturday morning, Anita sat in the back of the car with Johnny. Mummy and Papa sat in the front. Anita's little suitcase was put in the boot. The day was bright and sunny and a cool breeze was blowing. But Anita was still not happy. She soon went off to sleep with Johnny sleeping beside her. It was evening by the time they reached the beach close to Grandma's house. As Anita and Johnny got down from the car, they saw a lot of sand and blue water. Anita was seeing all this for the first time. She liked it. Then she saw Grandma and Grandpa walking slowly towards them. Grandpa was carrying ice candies for everyone. They were wearing straw hats. Before Anita could smile at them, she saw two horses trotting towards them. Even the horses were wearing straw hats. Their hats had little holes for their ears to poke out. Next page. Anita smiled. Look, Johnny, even your grandparents are coming to meet you. She ran towards her grandparents and gave them a hug. That night, as Grandma came to kiss her goodnight, she brought with her a very small straw hat with holes. It was for Johnny, his very own straw hat. Anita was very happy. Thank you, Grandma. And Johnny says he loves his straw hat. Now, Anita wanted to live with her grandparents forever, and Johnny nodded his head in agreement. Okay, children, so this is about the lesson. Johnny gets a straw hat. Now, let us see new words. New words. First one, together. T-O-G-E Together. Second one, alone. 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 Third one, beautiful. 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 Fourth one, suitcase. 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 Fifth one, boot. 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 Okay, children. So this is about today's revision. Unit 9. Lesson number 9. Johnny gets a straw hat. Read this lesson once or twice, children, and learn the spellings of new words. Okay, children. Have a good day. Take care.